Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll teach you limits of logarithmic function. This is part one of this video. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. So if you are asked to evaluate, let's say lim n tend towards 0, natural logarithm of what? Let's say 1 plus what? X all over what? X. If you are asked to evaluate this, what will you do? If you put 0 in this place, definitely the denominator is 0. And if you evaluate this, you have what? 0. So 0 over 0, you can't do that. That's what an indeterminate what form. So what you just need to do is simple. Just use what the L'Hopital's what rule. In that case, differentiate the numerator, differentiate what the denominator before you what you impute your x towards 0 into what the equation, then you solve. It's as simple as that. So if you're asked to differentiate natural logarithm of what this, what will you do? It's simple. Note, we have done that when I was solving differentiation of what logarithmic function. You can watch the video. So lim this is, you differentiate inside. If you differentiate this is 0, if you differentiate this is 1. So you differentiate the bracket, drop it there, all over this, which is what? 1 plus what? X. If you differentiate this, this is what you get. Now, what about if you differentiate this? You have what? This sign is divide. If you differentiate it, you have what? 1. So I can rewrite this as 1 all over 1 plus what? X. Now times, if you want to change this sign to multiplication, you what? This is actually 1 over 1. So if I make this the numerator and this is the denominator, I'll still have 1 all over what? 1. And what will you get? 1 all over. If you just want to multiply this, is the same thing. If you just want to multiply this, is the same thing. 1 plus what? X. If I decide to use this 0, if I change this to what? 0, what will it be? Here is 1. 1 plus 0 is what? All over what? 1. And the final answer is actually what? 1. So it's a very direct question. So very simple. This same question, let's assume that let's just tweak it a bit. Let's change it a bit. X to what? 0. Let's say natural logarithm of what? 1 plus what? 3 what? X. All over what? X. What will you do? How will you solve this? It is still simple. Differentiate what? If you put the 0 here, you have what? 0 in the denominator and what? Numerator. So let's use the L'Hopital's what rule. So differentiate the numerator. Differentiate the numerator. If you differentiate the numerator, you have, let's differentiate inside. Remember, at first I said differentiate inside. If you differentiate this, what will you have? 0. Now, if you differentiate this, you have 3. So you put 3 there. All over this. 1 plus what? 3 what? X. What about if you differentiate this? All over what? 1. Divide 1. You can rewrite this as 3 all over what? 1 plus 3x. This 1 all over what? 1. And this you can rewrite as, you just put this there. 3 all over what? 1 plus what? 3 what? X. Now, 0. If I decide to impute 0, now have what? 3 all over 1 plus 3 bracket what? 0. So, if this 0 multiply this, what will you have? You now have 0 here. So, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now I have 3 all over what? 1. And what is my answer? 3. It's very easy and direct. And, okay, let's proceed further. Let's assume that you see x what? As s approach 1. X all over what? Let's see x minus 1. Now, I decided to put x minus 1 because if I impute 1 into this place, if I subtract, it will give me 0. So I'll have to use what? Another method instead of using the direct what? Method. Okay? So if you are given this kind of case, it's still very easy. Simplify. This one, you know that if you differentiate this, you have 1 all over what? X. Bring it down. Now, if you differentiate this 0, if you differentiate this, what will you have? Divide what? 1. All over 1 all over x times 1 all over what? 1. And this is 1 all over what? X. X is what? 1. So which is what? 1 all over what? 1. What is my answer? My answer in this case is what? 1. So it's a very direct question. Now, I'm going to twerk this question now. Let's say that you are asked to evaluate lim as x approach what? 0. Natural logarithm of, let's say, 1 plus what? 5 s square all over what? 3 what? X. All over 3x. So, let me remove this question so that it will be very easy for you. I want you to attempt this as assignment. I want you to attempt this as assignment. Just a slight change. Attempt this as assignment and drop your answer in the comment section. Note that you cannot evaluate directly because if I decide to put x in this 0 in this place was 0. So you can't. So evaluate this and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. The part 2 of this video will be solving more complex, more tricky questions. Thank you for watching.